Manila's secret chocolate shop.
Yeah. Baby girl, you're so damn fine. Wanna know if I can hit it from behind.
What's going on, guys? I've been hearing about this secret chocolate shop in Manila, and I've been hearing it's got some reasonable prices. It's got all the chocolates from across the world, so we're gonna try and find it today. There, trying to find it. That's where we're going, right there. I think we made it to the chocolate station. Let's go get it. Yes. So we found this place here. We're currently walking up the stairs to go and see what this place is about. So the name of the secret chocolate place in Manila is called Chocolate Station. Where is it?
No, I'm not innocent. You deserve a better man. But let me just hold your hand once more. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up for what we lost. Tonight is the night that we're gonna fall in love. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head. I don't care about you and him. I don't care about what has been. I only care about your soft skin, cause we're still sleeping in my head.
Frazzy, 16 peso. Don't mind if I do. We're going home, lads. Mini pillow wafer, 14 peso. She's buying out the whole shop, look. Damn. Yo, this is lit. This is like some Spanish chocolate, mine. Mr. Bombastic, telefantastic. Oh.
Voila.
Jesus Christ. Different flavor from the Happy Cow. Goya, made from soya.
Your favorite Vienna sausage.
Who, my favorite or your favorite?
Oh no, this is your size.
That's my size. Jesus Christ. Very rude. Yo, in the UK I first tried these. I went to like a kind of Asian shop, like an Oriental one. So they got pepero. It's from Korea. These are banging. Especially like the cookies and cream one. If you want cookies and cream, girls, let's go get it. How happy, 5 pesos each. I don't know what they are, but we'll get them.
These two.
This too, 5 pesos.
Yeah.
Which one is that? You buy cheese balls or cheese puffs?
Cheese balls.
You love balls, yeah?
I love balls, man.
There's a new part of me, a part I want you to see. You haven't seen the best of me, I know. You can try to fool yourself, like you love somebody else. But you and him will never feel the way we do. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna take you out. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Show you what I'm all about. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Make up. I'm Mr. Lover, call me Mr. Bombastic. Fantastic. Opening on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic. Call me fantastic. Opening on me box, she says I'm Mr. Romantic.
What's going on, guys? Migs from Biggy Travels here. If you made it this far, give us a thumbs up. Make sure you like all our stuff, you subscribe, and also hit me up with comments. I reply to all the comments. One love.